on, Hood Nation? Nidge here, DFX. We're checking out Season 5, Chapter 4, Lighting the Fire. So Oz just revealed to the kids that we have the ability to keep traveling into new bodies over and over and over. So he's basically like the defender of the planet, and which is pretty cool. And this is his chance to finally get back at Salem. So he definitely made lots and lots of mistakes. Now he's just a little kid, takes over his body and pilots, becomes a bad A, and then when he goes back to the kid, he becomes a klutz. So obviously he has to get them all in shape, which is interesting. I want to see Oz in action, actually kind of see him train these cats. We got our boy Crow recruiting people, blah, blah, blah. But I want to stop talking because let's just get to watching it, you know what I'm saying? I'm not going to show any footage here, and the reason why is because I don't want to get a copyright strike. And yeah, that's all we need to know is to sync it up here. You guys pull a window nearby. Get it nice and comfy. 3, 2, 1, go. And there's Crow right there. That's pretty awesome that he can turn into crows. The bird fly around. But he's got that bad luck though. I mean, I get it. If Ruby does lose her weapon, she can't really hand-to-hand combat, but still. So I see. For them to work together. I gotta take them punks on. There's that metal arm. Heck yeah. Woo! That summon though. I'm really liking it. Yeah. Let's get this started. Oh, maybe Yang's gonna find him sooner or later. Oh, she's got a dude riding back, huh? Got your back turned to him? Jeez. Very, very brave to do that. Hmm. Watch your 6, girl. Well, you all gonna pay for that. Too easy. Thank you. Hmm. I don't know. Nobody touches the bike. Y'all really think? I don't know. Pew 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 pew. Oh god, the way she walks. Ooh. Woo! Woo! Oh! You're gonna be missing some more teeth now, player. Haha! She is faster than bullets. Woo! And there goes an... Nice. Oh! I think she killed him. That way. I'm Raven's daughter. Right? I suppose this would be a good beginner. Well, he's also taking on Ruby, and Ruby's not the best hand-to-hand fighter. Ooh! He ain't going easy on you. Don't... Oh! Shouldn't have let your guard down. That's true. Get punched in... Oh, God. Uh-oh. You ain't get out of this one, Ruby. Woo! Oh! Kicked her right in the face. Oh! That's gonna leave a mark. Yay! I suppose. How do you know what it is if you're not told? The opposite. Yeah, I wonder what a John's is. I wonder if he can morale boost everybody or something. I am really curious to see what John can do. Nah, he brought them all back with black eyes. Is she gonna try and trick him? What is she? Where's her chance? Oh crap! I suppose they don't even know that Weiss is here. Or Yang doesn't know, obviously. Little ninja. Yes! Sneaky dig. I suppose once Yang sees her captive, ooh, that's gonna be I wonder how that's gonna go down. Wow. That's not exactly. I just happened to finish it. Yep. That hair, though. Uh-oh. Nice. Wow. Ooh. She's gonna notice she's holding that sword. Yang's gonna have to see that. I get it from my mama. What about those cha-chas? Where'd you get those from? Aw. Hmm. You guys really want to do this? I don't know. There's Weiss. Now you're really pissed off, Yang. It's time to grow. It's make my monster grow. He's gonna break out. Witness the true power, mother. Gago. Your mom kicked me in the face. Y'all really want to go up against that thing? Are you serious? Whoa. She can even do lightning? Oh, her. Another truth is you need to comb your hair, woman. That back. Aww. Aww. The knight's like, damn, you got me a little bit of teary there. Oh, that was nice, little Rhea. Weiss's walls are just letting people in. Obviously, shows you that, especially with Yang's story. I mean, look at that. That's supposed to be her mother. I mean, jeez. Blood don't even matter, you know what I'm saying? Even in the real world, you'd be surprised. People that are related to you versus just people. You know, I was always taught growing up, oh, blood's thicker than water. That type of, Pretty much my whole family disowned me. The only person left that really cares is my mom and my brother. I mean, there's a bunch of family though in Chicago still, like, but I was never close to them. But I'm okay with them. But you know, there's just they all right though. I'm not gonna badmouth them. But my mom's side of the family though, forget it. So yeah, no, that was definitely good. We got Weiss saved, and that was cool. That thing actually, yeah, he can become little and get big. So I don't know how much power he's packing when he's tiny. I don't know if it's a mass based thing or if it, no matter what, even if he's pocket size, I'm guessing he has to be bigger to be stronger. So because if not, then yeah, he can just run around as a little itty bitty midget, just cut, hitting people's Achilles heel. You know what I mean? Like go behind and slit them. That'd be bad, eh? But anyways, y'all, I hope you like this reaction, and I'm going to go ahead and jump on to the next episode. Probably going to get up and do some stretching here, and move on to the next episode. If you guys want to join the Hood Nation, a chance to do so is going to be like right here. Like always, we got that playlist to get your feet wet. Find a cup of tea, I'll go find it. It's out there. Believe it. This is Nidge from DFX, and I'm out.